Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to become QuickBooks Certificate in 2025 step by step. Whether you are an accountant, bookkeeper or small business owner, getting certified can boost your skill and make you stand out. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. So here actually you can see we are already in our platform. So here I will select the country will be, and let's hit confirm country, and actually it's already done, so I will select the language will be English. It is okay. So now you just need to understand what QuickBooks certifications is. So first, what actually this one for? QuickBooks offers an official pro advisor confirmation program through Intuit, their patent company. This means you get trained on how to use QuickBooks online, and once you pass the test you get an official certificate which looks great on your resume or LinkedIn. So you just need to create an account over that place. So first of all, you just need to visit on quickbooks.inuit.com and then sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. So here I will just click to the login, and then here you can see we have a couple of options. Or also you can click to the register for free. Once you click over here, then you will get these options. So empower your studies and with free month QuickBooks online trial. Here you just need to click over here, or you can go with register for free QuickBooks, and then you just need to provide your first name, last name, email, phone number, education institution, country, and now you just need to click this one. So this is the easiest way to create an account. Once you're done, you will get to look for Pro Advisor program. It is usually under the accountant sections. Joining the program is free if you are using the QuickBooks Online Accountant version. So once you're done, you just need to access the training. Now time to train. Inside your QuickBooks Accountant dashboard, you will find free training modules. This covers everything: setting up clients, managing groups, running payroll, or troubleshooting them. Training is video based and self-paced, so you can go through it whenever you want. Make sure to download any study guides too. They really help with the exam. Let's take that certification exam. Once you're ready, it's time to take the certification exam. It's an online exam, open book test, usually around 80 questions, multiple choice. You'll need to score at least 80% to pass. If you don't pass on the pass try, don't worry, you can retake it up to 3 times within the same exam window. So when you find out that after your pass you will get an official QuickBooks Certificate Pro Advisor certificate and the digital badge, you can print it and add it to your website, LinkedIn profile or your email structure. This shows client or employees that you know your stuff when it comes to QuickBooks. So that's it, how you become a QuickBooks Certified in 2025. If you have this, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Tell them how good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.